IED, Istituto Europeo di Dizajn, is a higher education institution that has been representing an international excellence in the field of creative education for nearly 60 years, with a proven track record in research, teaching and training, as well as community outreach across disciplines and regions, from design to fashion to digital and visual arts, and not least to communication. The IED is characterized by a unique design project culture that has nurtured innovation since the very beginning in 1966, and which has evolved in time through the multicultural experience and expertise of its community of local and international students, teachers, staff, and partners. Partners that include academia, businesses, NGOs, civil society, as well as institutions. With a constantly evolving scenario of contemporary societies, including, but of course, not limited to globalization, green and digital transition, demographic change, as we've seen recently, social and climate justice, as well as everything that is happening in the transitions for the future of work, we wanted to tackle the ever-increasing challenges posed within this landscape and connect them to the Sustainable Development Goals. At the same time, we wanted to actively contribute to the regeneration of methodologies, of models, of tools for research, training, and learning, in the creative and technical fields of design, of course, supporting the acquisition and the development of new competences. This is the backdrop against which the INNO-TEC-LAB project came about, first as an idea and then more and more as a structured proposal. As we know, design does not work in a vacuum, and collaboration and co-creation is a key factor in the generation of new knowledge and in the enhancement of values. So we called upon partners, some old friends and some new ones, to address the scenario for the development of opportunities in the field of design for technical careers through innovation laboratories. We are honored as INNO-TEC-LAB coordinator that 6 European organizations, all experts in their field of actions, decided to join us in this endeavor and actively contribute to the design, implementation and delivery of the project. VSL from Lithuania, HVA from the Netherlands, D-Learn from Italy, SDMI from France, Media Design from Poland, and last but not least, Metropolia from Finland. We also feel privileged that the proposal became a full working project thanks to the support of the Erasmus Plus program. Through constant collaboration, co-design, and design-based research, the INNO-TEC-LAB team proved resilient, engaged, and a great pleasure to work with, overcoming the previously unimaginable challenges posed by the pandemic, circumstances that made the project objective and activities so much more urgent and important, not only because they were the results and outputs that we were aiming at for the project, but also because they became our own working experiencing, collaborating in hybrid and online formats and learning from each other through online. Social, cultural, technological, design approaches and SDG-focused achievement called for a variety of competences. All of the partners had these competences, individually or collectively, and while coordinating specific work packages or intellectual outputs, we all jointly put together our knowledge, know-how and experiences in every single activity of the project, in a truly interdisciplinary, transnational and collective effort. Effort aimed at designing and delivering a learning module for innovation, which is the core framework of the whole project, a train-the-training program in 2 editions, a digital platform for learning and collaboration, first amongst partners and amongst participating students and teachers, but also in the future for any stakeholder that is interested in the project, an INNO-TEC student course, again in 2 editions. Of course, all of the details of this will be found on the website and you will be hearing from my esteemed colleagues. The diverse experiences and competences of all the partners, including those of the IED, have built the INNO-TEC-LAB project on the current context in order to tackle existing challenges, but more importantly, the project is setting the stage and providing the method, tools, and the framework to tackle future competences. INNO-TEC-LAB presents a framework and provides intellectual outputs that are in no way intended as an end in themselves. It actually provides an advanced baseline for any organization that wish to continue to evolve and innovate the environment and experience of present and future learners, who are the professionals of the future, even after the project ends, in terms of a sustainability within a European framework.